guys, we're back with Big Boss discussion. Like every day's episode, the Swami Om was again in the limelight. And we have Arushi with us who will tell us why he was so. So Arushi, what do you have to say about the episode?
So Big Boss introduced a luxury budget task for this week, and that is Tufan. Like Big Boss house is experiencing its first winter chill in the house, and the first snowstorms have hit the Big Boss house. And Big Boss contestants have to build a igloo inside the house so that when the storm strikes, they have to enter the igloo.
Exactly.
And Swami Om has already given a disclaimer to all the contestants that I don't care whoever gets hit, whoever gets injured while I enter the igloo. I'll play the game dirty.
So like always, either he doesn't play the game or he's just announcing that I'll do
whatever I wish.
Whatever.
Yeah, exactly. And he even doesn't wish to be a captain. He says that I cannot be a captain and I cannot fulfill all
Because
the
he knows
duties.
he can't.
But then he cannot be a king, so he have to get that title of the kingmaker.
Exactly.
So that is what he's doing. He's saying that make Manu and Manveer the contenders of captaincy, and I'll be out of the game myself.
I think Om Swami has done this all the time, that whosoever wins the captaincy task, he's there backing them and saying that okay fine, aap mere karan bane ho, you are here because of me. Right?
Exactly.
So
he always
he's trying to
wants
use a
that tag of kingmaker.
Exactly.
And next we see him getting into a verbal fight with Gaurav Chopra, since he tells them that you are Britishers, you have those traits of Britishers, tum cruel shasak ho. And Gaurav was very much agitated with what he said, and he even told him that I belong to this country and nobody has that right to say anything. Exactly. So I think Gaurav was quite justified. His reaction was quite justified. But we saw Manu and Manveer taking full fun out of Swami and Gaurav's fight.
Like always.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because we know that Manu and Manveer somewhere does not like Gaurav Chopra.
Okay.
So they were taking
and they have
fun.
a soft corner for Swami Om, which we have seen on
exactly.
Right? So
In day before yesterday's episode only, we heard Manveer saying that अरे Swami तो एक छोटा बच्चा है, छोटे बच्चे की तरह innocence है, but we don't think so.
Exactly.
And later in the day we see that he gets to more dirty level, and he just refuses to move from in front of the igloo's gate. And Big Boss had to intervene once again, and he has to tell Lopamudra that remove people from the entrance of the igloo.
Exactly.
So this was Swami Om's take in the entire episode.
So the whole day was just dedicated to the Swami, right?
Yeah, but then we saw Manveer supporting Swami Om and lashing out at Lopamudra and Rohan. Because Lopamudra and Rohan were two standing just near to the entrance because they too don't want be seen.
Everyone wants to be
exactly.
a captain.
And Lopamudra has always been that competitive in the game. She has always been that into the game that she refuses to abide by the rules sometimes too. So next we see Bani and Lopamudra too got into a fight. And in today's episode, we will see that who will be the captain of the house and who will be out of the race. So stay tuned and stay updated with the Big Boss house, and keep watching IndianExpress.com.